Welcome back to Carnivore's Corner channel. Today we're going to be making this crawfish sushi type loaf. First thing we're going to do, we're going to brown some butter. It's different from regular butter. The heat causes the milk solids in the butter to caramelize. It's going to give it a nutty and toasty flavor. It's going to be great for a savory dish like this. Next we're going to throw these onions in. We're just going to let them fry for a couple minutes. Just keep stirring them around in that butter. We don't want the butter to burn at all. After a few minutes, then we're going to add some andouille sausage that we chopped up. At about 12 ounces of it going in. You'll see here in a minute. Andouille sausage has been around since the 1700s when the French settlers in Louisiana brought their sausage making techniques over. Traditionally, it was made from leftover parts of the pig, which was readily available to them Cajun farmers. It's got a blend of spices, paprika, garlic, cayenne pepper. It's got a smoky flavor from the pecan wood. Now, the flavors can vary depending on the recipe from whoever made it. Generally, it's spicy and smoky. It's got some hints of garlic, some paprika. The texture is firm and slightly chewy, which makes it great for stews, gumbos, and jambalaya. So that's been going for a couple minutes. Now we're going to come in with a package of these Louisiana crawfish tails. Now, these bad boys have a sweet and delicate flavor, similar to a shrimp or like a lobster or something. They'll also absorb the flavor of the spices and whatever seasonings you're using. Also, they're low calorie, high protein. Be used in a variety of dishes. You can use them in gumbo, etouffee, pasta, salads, whatever you want. And another reason you should be using them more, they're a sustainable seafood option. They're farmed and harvested in a way that doesn't harm the environment. And the crawfish farming helps support the local economies, particularly in Louisiana. It's a major industry down there. Let's get to building this thing. I'm going to come down with a mango salsa in a loaf pan. You can make your own mango salsa, but I just bought a pre-made one at the store. That all on the bottom there. And we're going to come in with a guacamole. Same thing. I bought it from the store and just spiced it up a little bit with some wild fork guacamole seasoning, a little lime. Now, this is going to help the crawfish mixture stick when we put that on there. It's get nice and flat. And come in with that mixture. This already smells good. I can't wait to eat it. Don't be shy here. Get a good bit of that mixture on there. Just make sure to keep pressing everything down as you put it on. Get everything melted together nice. Now we're going to come in with the sticky rice. Just get it all to the top of that loaf pan and again press it down. Get nice and flat. You know this is going to be good. Now we're just going to take that pan. We're going to flip it over whenever you're going to serve it on. Give it a couple good taps so it releases. There you have it. The crawfish sushi loaf. We serve this with mussels, clams, bacon wrapped shrimp. So meet me outside. Let's give it a taste test. There you got all that crawfish filling we made. The andouille sausage, the onions, that sticky rice, the mango salsa, the guacamole. Let's give it a taste test. Tell you what, summer coming up, you gotta make this one. As always, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe.